Mr. Lawton, is that correct?
No, sir, Your Honor. Here's the true facts are these. With the exception of 5 topics, they've had our corporate representative topics since early January. Hey,
Mr. Lawton, let me make sure I understand what you just said. So you said they had all the topics except for 5. Is that what you said?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Mr. Lawton, how did you share these topics before? Did you give them a proposed notice, or kind of how did you?
Yes, Your Honor. We sent them a draft notice.
So let's do this. We're going to rule. I'm going to look at the 5 new topics and I'll rule on those.
All right, Your Honor, may I share my screen?
Sure.
So in terms of the topics, and we'll just go through
the 5 new topics.
Well, I don't know what the new topics are.
Mr. Lawton, go ahead and share your screen to show me the 5 new topics.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm getting Courtney to help me sitting in my office. If you'll just give me 1 second.
And Your Honor, as they're pulling that up, the defendants from the very outset said,
I want to see that, Ms. Boland, I want to see the 5 new topics.
Thank you for your patience, Judge. We're working on
thank you, Your Honor.
Exhibit D to our motion, Exhibit D to our response. We're working on pulling that up.
Sure, Your Honor. Sorry, Exhibit B to our motion is the draft topics that were sent.
I just want to see the 5 new topics.
Give me 1 second.
Your Honor, as they're doing that, let me just reemphasize the point that the defendants are prepared to produce a corporate representative as had been agreed.
Okay, great. Ms. Boland, I do have other hearings, so if you guys want me to hear this today, I need to see these topics.
Okay, here we go. So, Your Honor, 1 through 5 that were just referenced by Mr. Zellers are the same as they were in the initial notice.
So I just need to see the 5 new topics that Mr. Lawton referred to. That's all I want to see right now is the 5 new topics. Do you know which ones those are, Mr. Lawton? You said there's 5 new topics. What are they? Mr. Lawton, are you there? Mr. Lawton, can you guys not hear me?
We can hear you, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Boland, can Mr. Lawton not hear me? All right, guys, I may need to pass this hearing if you guys can't show this to me.
Your Honor, we're prepared to show you the first 5 topics just as an illustration and to make the point.
Ms. Boland, you are not able to share the 5 new topics. Ms. Boland, I'm not clear. They're not responding to me. Ms. Boland, can you hear me or not?
We can hear you, Your Honor, so I don't know.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. This is taking me, it's taking me a long time because of the way that we went through these. Yeah, they're kind of categorized, so it's not so neat and clean.
All right, what I'm going to do then, if that's not the case, I thought I had kind of an easy way to do this. I'm going to just put you.
Yeah, can we go in a breakout room for what? Or can I have 5 minutes, Your Honor, and then I can come back and give you these?
No, I'm going to have you go into a breakout room. I just want to see the 5 new topics. The 5 new topics. So this is the deal then, Mr. Lawton. You have 2 choices. One, you guys fight over all of this. The alternative is that you can have the topics will be the ones you provided to,
Judge, can you hear me okay?
yeah,
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
I can.
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
Yes, I can hear you.
Just to short circuit this, we're willing to waive the 5 topics that we added and go forward with the notice they've had since January if that resolves the issue.
Your Honor, if plaintiff's counsel can't identify the 5 topics, it's impossible for the defendants to do that. We ask that our objections be heard.
Can I please respond to that?
Briefly.
Real briefly, number one, they're saying it's impossible to produce a representative, which that's not an objection under the case law, but they filed an 83-page counterclaim with 12 causes of action and 20 affirmative defenses. Our notice goes straight through their pleading, and if you with 12 causes of action.
All right, go ahead and prepare an order for me, Mr. Lawton, indicating that. Make sure that it says that this was heard on April 15, 2024, over Zoom. Share that with Mr. Zellers, and you guys have a great rest of your day, okay?